In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Clockify with ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your Workspace. This is where you'll manage the setup on the ClickUp side, so make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving on. Next, you need to activate time tracking. In ClickUp, open the App Center, then look for time tracking, and enable the time tracking Click app for the specific space where you want to use Clockify. Keep in mind that this setting usually requires a workspace owner or admin, so if you don't have access to turn it on yourself, you may need to ask someone with the right permissions to do it for you. Once that's done, open Google Chrome and install the Clockify Chrome extension. This part is important because the ClickUp integration relies on the Clockify extension to work properly. If the extension isn't installed, you won't see the timer function inside your ClickUp tasks. After installing it, click the Clockify extension in Chrome and sign into your Clockify account. Make sure you're logged in successfully before continuing, since the integration won't function unless Clockify is active in your browser. Now open the Clockify extension settings, go to Integrations and make sure ClickUp is enabled. This step connects the two tools so Clockify can recognize your tasks directly inside ClickUp. Then return to ClickUp. You can either create a new task or open an existing one. Inside the task, you should now see the Clockify Start Timer button. Click it to begin tracking time. One helpful detail here is that Clockify will automatically use the ClickUp task name for the time entry, which makes your track time easier to organize and recognize later. As soon as you start the timer, Clockify begins recording the time you spent working on that ClickUp task. You can continue working as normal while the timer runs in the background. When you're finished with the task, click the Clockify timer and stop it. Your recorded time will then be saved in Clockify automatically. To review what you tracked, open the Clockify web application and go to the time tracker or the reports area. There, you'll be able to find the time entry created from your ClickUp task. You can also edit that entry if needed and run reports directly in Clockify for a clearer view of how your time is being spent. Finally, go back to ClickUp and open another task to confirm everything is working correctly. If the Clockify timer button appears again, that means the integration is fully set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching.